Hi, friends! Valentine's Day is on February 14th. It's a special day for love and showing people how much you care about them. And a great way to do that is with a Valentine's Day card. I'll show you how you can make one at home. To make our Valentine's Day card, we will need some paper, some paint. I have some great Valentine's Day colors here. There's pink, purple, and red. I have a paper plate to put the paint on, and I have some daughter stamps here. You can use daughter stamps or markers or any other kind of stamp would work great too. We have scissors, something to write with, tape, and a paper towel tube. So to get started, we'll pick the color of the paper we'll use for our card. I have a couple different colors here, all different shades of pink. I think I'm going to use this light shade of pink here. That'll be really nice. To make our card, we'll start by folding in half and try and line up the corners and edges as best you can and push down, making a nice fold. There, it's looking like a card already. Now we can decorate it. I'm gonna fold it back open so we can decorate the front of our card really easily. And I'll show you how you can make a heart stamp out of a paper towel tube. It's really simple. You just push down, squeeze a little bit on the paper towel tube, and look at that. It makes a little heart shape. How neat is that? And you can keep it in place with a little bit of tape. That'll make it really easy to hold in place. Just put some tape on the top. Make sure the tape is long enough to go all the way across. There we go. We have a heart shape. Now we can use this with our paint to make some heart-shaped stamps on our card. Let's start with the pink color. Add some pink here. And dip the paper towel tube into the paint. Make sure it gets all over. There we go. And push it onto the paper. Push the top and we'll take a look. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. A pretty heart shape. Let's make some more. Go, how about one over here? Make sure to push the top of your paper towel tube so that the heart makes the full shape, just like that. And you can do some hearts on the front of your card and on the back of your card. So let's do one over here. Push down. Ta-da! Beautiful heart shapes. Let's do another color. You can wipe off your stamp with a cloth. You don't have to wipe all the paint off, just enough so we can use another color. Let's use some purple. Okay, we'll add some purple onto our plate. There we go. And we can use the same side, just dip it back in, get it all covered, and put it on the paper. How about right here? Right there. Push down. Ooh, pretty heart shapes. I like using different things to make stamps. Stamps are really fun. There's a lot of things that we can use to make interesting stamps. How about a heart over here? Nice purple heart. Push down. Let's see. Ooh. How about some red hearts? We'll add some red paint. These are all great Valentine's Day colors. See lots of red and pink and purple around Valentine's Day. And lots of hearts. We'll just wipe off some of our purple paint onto our cloth. And we'll dip it in the red paint. There we go. Now it's all covered in red. Let's add some here. Now we need a heart there. Push down. Oh, a perfect red heart. Let's add some more. Put one down here. We can cover our whole card with stamps. Do one more down there maybe. Or you could do just a couple. Whatever you like. It's your card for your special Valentine. See? Oh, look at that. It's looking pretty nice. I like all the heart stamps that we did. So now we need to let this dry before we could decorate the inside of the craft. So just put it aside for a little bit. I have one that's already dry here. This one has a couple more hearts in it. You can see it's all nice and dry. And now we can decorate the inside of our card. To decorate the inside, I'm gonna make something like this. This kind of heart shape. That'll look really nice in the inside of our card. And I'll show you how you can do it. To start, we're going to need to make a heart cutout. So I have another piece of paper here, and we'll start just the way we did when we made our card at the beginning. We'll fold it in half and draw half a heart shape, just like this. You can take your marker or crayon and draw half a heart, and we'll cut that out. Cut all the way around. You might want to have a grown-up to help you with any of these parts that are a little bit trickier. Now we'll open it up. Ta-da! And we have a perfect heart shape. We'll put that heart shape right in the middle of our card. And we'll use a little bit of tape just to secure it in place so it stays in one spot while we decorate it. There we go. Push it down. Now we can use our markers or our daughters. We have some daughter stamps here. And we'll stamp all around our heart like this. We want to make sure that we stamp along the edge of our heart. That way, when we take the heart away, we'll still have that heart shape there. Stamp all over, and you can stamp the rest of your card too. Boop, boop, boop. We'll try a different color. How about some purple? Stamp all around the edge of our heart, like that. That's the important part. And you can use markers too. You can color all over the inside of your card, and it'll have the same effect. Like some purple dots around here too. Dot, dot, dot. Kind of sounds like a beating heart. Thump, 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 thump. There we go. We don't want to put too much in this part of the heart because we're going to be taking that away anyway. So just get all around. I think it looks pretty good. And we got all the edges of our heart, so we're going to be able to see that heart shape when we peel this away. Are you ready to see? Okay, here we go. We'll just very carefully peel it off. Ooh, look at that, everybody. Wow, you can still see that beautiful heart shape. And it's the perfect spot to write a special message to our Valentine. All right. Happy Valentine's Day. And then you can give this card to your special Valentine. You can make beautiful Valentine's Day cards at home. We have some other ideas for Valentine's Day crafts. You could make a pop-up card or a candy card. Look at this one. It has candy inside. It's beautiful. You can find all the details for this craft and all the other ones on our website at supersimple.com. And follow Super Simple on social media for lots more. We'd love to see photos of your Valentine's Day cards and crafts. You can send them to us through social media or our website, supersimple.com. We'd love to see them and to share them with all our friends. I hope that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, everybody, and I'll see you soon.
Woo!